Hey guys, welcome back to my daily office vlog. Today is Sunday morning. The weather in Bangalore is pretty good. So it's a weekend, and yeah, I'm thinking of doing some fun today. So I'm going to my brother's farmhouse, and yeah, let's get ready. This is the outfit for the day. I've gone for the black denim jacket, a blue t-shirt, and a blue denim pant. Yeah. Yeah, so we just hit the highway. We're approaching the toll gate. This is Nandi Junction, and this is the world famous Nandi Hills view. Yes. So we just reached the village, and I've come to my brother's farmhouse. I'll show you his farmhouse. Guys, this is the village. I'll show you the farmhouse later. So this is how the entrance to his farmhouse is. This is the house. That's where his cows are tied, and this is the entrance. Yeah, this is like the entrance into his house. Yeah, this is the entrance to his farm. So we're going to the farm, and I've recorded the route. It is filled with lush green farms. So on the left side, you guys can see a flower farm. On the right side, mostly all the plowing and tilling fields. So we enter into my brother's farm, and I'm just going to the spot where my brother and his friends usually chill. So yeah, that is the place. Brother's farm. So yeah, this is my brother's dad's graveyard, and all of this is his farm behind. This is farm. Yeah, guys. So this is the view of the other farm of my brother's. He has a lake right here, and yeah, the lake is not too far. You can just walk in. There's a nice view. Yeah. That was my weekend for this week. So yeah, I just gone out to countryside, and it was good. I've just reached home. If you like the content, please do like, comment, share, subscribe, follow, and keep supporting. I'll come back and meet you guys with the day 6 of my daily office vlogs. Till then, see you guys. Signing off.